Every day, the market gives us signals, but not all signals are created equal, right? Some happen during times when the market is alive with liquidity and volatility, and those are the signals we want to focus on. Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about exactly when the best day trading signals happen and why these times matter so much. First of all, we need to understand the market's daily rhythm. Okay, the financial markets operate in cycles throughout the day, and for the purpose of that, let me just add the sessions indicator to the chart so that we can, we can understand what I'm talking about better. So let me add the sessions indicator, and I'm going to talk about the cycles, right? So each session, we have the Asian session, we have the London session, we have the New York session, and the Asian session is actually made up of the Tokyo and the Sydney session. So the Sydney and Tokyo makes up the Asian session, and we have the London session, we have the New York session, all right? So each of these sessions has its own personality. The Asian session often sees slower range bound movement, right? So it's not like you might not have a trending move in the Asian session, but one of the characteristics of the Asian session that is commonly known is the range bound nature of the Asian session. It's as if price likes to range during the Asian session. Okay, and then London, most of the times brings a burst of volatility as European traders enter the market. So if you look at London session, you see that most of the times London session usually has this surge in volatility. Can you see? It's as if there's usually a spike during the London session. Can you see? This is one of the characteristics of the London session. Can you see? How many examples have we looked at now? Okay, this one, the surge was just little, but then we still had a spike to the downside. So this is one of the characteristics of the London session. Okay, it brings a burst of volatility as European traders enter the market. And then the New York adds another layer of momentum when the US market opens. All right. So knowing this rhythm helps you anticipate when price action is likely to produce clear and tradable signals. Okay. Now, many traders favor the London session because it often sets the tone for the day. Liquidity increases as institutional players in Europe start trading, and this can trigger breakouts from overnight ranges. If you are a breakout or momentum trader, the first 2 hours of London are prime time. All right, the first 2 hours of the London session are prime time. Okay, especially if you are a breakout trader or a momentum trader. Okay, now when the London and the New York overlap, you can see there is an overlap between the London and the New York session, right? So when the London and the New York overlap, typically between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York time, the market is is at its most active. Okay, volatility usually spikes. Spreads can tighten, and you often see strong moves that carry through the rest of the day. This is also when major economic news releases can hit, creating high probability setups. That is, of course, if you know how to manage the risk. Okay, now just as important as knowing when to trade is also knowing when not to trade. Okay, midday lows, especially after the London close, often produce choppy low volume conditions that can lead to false signals. So recognizing and avoiding these dead zones can save you from frustration and unnecessary losses. Okay, timing should actually be a part of your edge. Okay, as a trader, you should actually learn timing. You might not necessarily have to trade round the clock. Now, it is true that the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, but you don't have to trade all the time. You can actually have a specific period when you trade. Okay, if you like to trade during low volatility sessions, you can be an Asian session trader. If you like to trade during, when momentum enters the market, and probably depending on your time zone, where you are based, you can actually decide to be maybe a London session trader, maybe you can be a New York session trader, or you can even be a trader that focuses on the overlap between the London session and the New York session. Within that small window, you can just catch whatever opportunity you find, and then once you are done, you leave the market for the day. So you don't have to trade round the clock. You can have specific time frame, time window. You can have specific time window, where you trade every day. Okay, so timing should actually be a part of your edge, and you should review your past trades and see when your best setups occurred, because funny enough, there are some setups that might have a higher win rate during London session. There are some setups that might have a higher win rate during Asian session, and so on and so forth, right? So if you actually have a trading journal, you might want to check out which sessions have a higher win rate for your trading strategy. And I'm going to advise you, whatever session that has a higher win rate for your trading strategy, focus on that session. Okay, because you want to increase your chances of success. Everybody wants to have a high win rate, right? So in order to maximize your gains, if you can figure out the session that has the highest win rate for your trading strategy, then you might want to focus on that session. Is it Asian session? Is it London session? Is it New York session? Focus on that session if that session gives you the highest win rate for your trading strategy. All right. Align your strategy with those windows. If you trade reversals, maybe you find the end of London session, giving you cleaner entries. If you are a trend trader, maybe the overlap between the London and New York might be the gold mine. The point basically is to build a plan that focuses on quality over quantity. So if you take nothing else from this video, remember this: the best day trading signals don't happen all the time. They happen at specific times when the market conditions are in your favor. Okay, so learn these times, focus your attention, and you'll be trading with more precision and confidence. All right, now if you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss future trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.